Hi, my name is Sharon Katzman. I'm a nutritionist at the Chambers Center for Wellbeing. Join me as I make one of my favorite detox smoothies that's both nutritious and delicious. I'll also be touching on some of the benefits of the ingredients that I'm using, and I'll also be giving you some tips for when you create your own smoothies. So you see here I have my ingredients lined up. We're going to start with a half a cup of pomegranate juice. Now I normally don't use pomegranate juice in my smoothies or any juice at all because I feel like I don't need the extra sugar. But this may help us as we detox off our sugar cravings that we're experiencing. So let's pour this in. Next, we're going to add a half a cup of plant-based milk. Here I'm using unsweetened almond milk. You can use any unsweetened plant-based milk that you like. I always recommend using a plant-based milk to avoid any sensitivities to dairy. If you want to, you could boost it with some vanilla-flavored almond milk or any milk of your choice, but try to avoid any sweetened versions. Next, we have our berries. I'm using 1 cup of frozen berries. I'm using blueberries because I like them. They're full of antioxidants and they're low in sugar, but any berry you like would be fine. Now, some people ask me, should I use fresh? Should I use frozen, organic, non-organic? I say if it's in your practice to buy fresh and organic, do so, but please know that any frozen produce is very similar in their nutrition profile as fresh. In terms of organic, if a fruit does not have a peel, I would recommend getting organic. Next, we have our frozen bananas. People always use bananas in a smoothie. They add a bit of flavor and sweetness and creaminess, and a little tidbit, they're great for your digestion. So put those in as well. Here we have our leafy greens. This is 1 cup of spinach. You can use spinach, you can use kale. It's a good idea to add leafy greens to your smoothie as a way of boosting the nutrition and meeting your fiber requirements for the day. So let's put that in. Here we have our tablespoon of ground flax meal. Flaxseed meal adds fiber, and it's also a great source of healthy fats. Let's pour that in. And lastly, we have 2 tablespoons of silken tofu. Tofu is a complete protein. All soy products are, so it's great to add protein to your smoothie. If you're not comfortable using soy, you can use nuts, seeds, or nut butter, even your favorite plant-based protein powder. In terms of soy, I would recommend purchasing only organic soy products. So let's put that together. Make sure it's nice and tight. And watch the magic begin. If you find that your smoothie is too thick, feel free to drizzle a little bit more of your plant-based milk in there. And here we go. It's a beautiful color. And here we have our smoothie with pomegranate juice and all these other antioxidant ingredients. I really love this smoothie because it's great the way it is, but it's a wonderful foundation for you to build your own smoothies. If you don't want flaxseed, use chia or hemp. If you want to use a plant sugar-free yogurt, that's fine too. Try some avocado. The possibilities are endless. So to keep in mind when you make your own smoothie, try to avoid any added sugar. Add some protein. Here I use the silken tofu. You can use nuts and seeds, your protein powder. Try to stick with non-dairy options and add those leafy greens to get your veggie intake for the day. Thank you for joining me today. For this recipe and for information about the nutrition services we offer at the Chambers Center, please log on to our website at chamberscenterforwellbeing.org.